Good morning, everyone.
What a wow morning. Hello, good morning. Yes, grabe, for the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking sa 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. And of course, excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
How about you pa? Ikaw, may mensahe ko sa mga kasama mo mamaya tumakbo. Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So kayo ang mga kasabayan namin, tulang-tulang lang tayo sa daan.
Wow, morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak.
Okay guys, you have permission pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paula sa dito.
Parang iba ata yung baka, anong preparation, kung if any, yung ginawa ninyo for your 10K run today? Aside from waking up? Waking up this early. Galing kami ng Cebu actually, nag-taping na our newest teleserye, The Alibay. Yes, and now, of course, preparation. Every Sunday kasi nag-run kami. Every Sunday, so parang nakakatuwa lang na yung gusto namin ginagawa is also part ng Chowking ngayon. And diba exciting kasi nag-run na kayo every Sunday, tapos ngayon ka-run niyo ba ang family?
Yes! Chow fan.
May nabasa ako sa X na yung iba daw dito mga first-time runner.
Wow! First-time runner!
Welcome to the running community. So, speaking of the family here in our Chow Fun Run 2025, as you can see, medyo iba-iba tayo ng suot na t-shirts as of the moment. So, may I know what shirt you chose and why you chose that?
Ang shirt ko is halo-halo, of course. Super sangkap, halo-halo. Si Paolo magaya.
Halo-halo. Marami rin pa tala. Marami rin.
Good morning.
Okay. So, with that, I think we can check.
Yes, kasi ang runners natin, kanya-kanya, unlike Paolo, sila namili talaga.
Yes.
Si Kim namili ng...
Ako kasi pumili. Sabi ko, eto tayo, halo-halo. High five. Alam niyo na.
Okay, so at this point, we're gonna have a special cheer rally.
Yes, alamin natin kung ano mga team at t-shirt ang pinagpipili nila. Oh, daming team. Let's go, Migs.
Okay, so sina Tim and Pao will help us out in our cheer rally. We have a total of 4 shirts. May kanya-kanyang representations yan. We have Shopao, we have Laureate, we have Chow Fan, and we have Halo. So isa-isahin natin yan Once Kim and Pao call on your category, I need you to make your loudest noise. Okay ba yun?
Okay, sino dito ang mga team Shopao? Parang katulad nyo, inaantok ko yung viewer niya.
Okay, ito na talaga, Pao. Isa pa.
Isingin natin, Pao.
Okay! Again, bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayan ko yun. Sino dito ang team Shopao? Sino naman dito ang Team Laureate? Team Laureate! Parang napupunta ako sa team na
Team Laureate.
Team Laureate.
Eto ba? Sino naman dito ang Team Halo?
Okay.
Diba, kumukuha pa yata ng shirt. Nag-decide pa sila kung anong gusto nilang team.
So later on, I hope you guys will represent your categories very well. But now we'll have a groupie with Kim Pao on stage. So please join us in this groupie. Calling on our photographers once again. Photographers for our groupie. Malapit na kayo. Pakita kayo sa picture natin.
Okay, now may we call on Sir Ken Lingan also to join us for our group. Once again, calling.
Papa.
Kita-kita tayo sa daan.
Let's give it up one last time for Kim Pao, everybody!
Thank you so much. Ayan.
So meron tayong next na celebrity on stage.
Alright, syempre, as excited as Kim Pao as we are, we want to make sure na safe tayo and warmed up. So, we are bringing someone special to the stage, the head coach and co-founder of Do What You Can Fitness, Mr. Fitness Fun himself, Coach.
We got Miz, we got Lauren. Lauren, come up here. We're going to help warm these guys up. Get some space. Last thing we want is an injury today. All right, we're going to take it real nice and slow. We're going to do head circles to the right. Here we go. Swiss. Okay, big arm circles forward. Here we go. Nice job, guys. Okay, we're going back. Right to up. Up and down.
Wala pa akong 10K siya. 10K siya. Game! Game!